Okay, look at me, wave.
Hey, the train. The train. We're out in the middle. We took a trail from our house and we're out in the middle of nowhere and we see the train. It's right there. Yeah. Run over our money. Run over our Step on this right here.
You guys got the money? Show it to me.
This right here. Oh, money?
Yeah.
I think this is it right. Where's the pennies? I don't know, but
Okay, show them to me, Sam.
here's this. It's full of like water or something. But I can't find the pennies. Oh, there's one right here. The pennies didn't get flattened that much.
Let me see it.
Really.
Hold still. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it didn't get flattened that good. Okay, there's three. Holy! Dad, look at the mark. Look at the penny marks. The penny moved. There's 3 marks.
Yeah.
Oh, where is the other 2 pennies?